Good morning, beta. Today we'll see our next part, that is the parts of the plants. What are the parts that we have to covered in this lesson are stem, leaves, roots, flowers and fruits. So these are the 5 main important parts of the plant जिसको हमको इस लेसन में बेटा कवर करना है. So let's start with stem first, which is given in your textbook. First topic is stem. Generally you have seen that stem is the main important part of the plant because it connect the root as well as rest part of the plant. So stem is the middle part of the plant जिसके बीच में कनेक्शन करता है रूट से. सपोज बेटा ये आपका ग्राउंड है तो नीचे आपका रूट है, तो ये अपर पार्ट आपका क्या है, ये पार्ट दैट इज स्टेम. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल सी दैट flower, fruits and rest of thing will bears in that part only. It's mean that stem is connecting the roots and rest part of the plant. Rest part means flower, fruit as well as leaves. So flower, fruits, leaves and roots, all these things are connected by one and only stem. So stem interconnected the rest part of the plants as well as roots. Okay beta, so it's part of the stem which bears the flower, leaf and fruit is known as stem. Means stem ही बेटा वही पार्ट है जिसके ऊपर ही आपके फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स एंड लीव्स, ये पार्ट जिस पार्ट्स में जो पार्ट कंटेन करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं स्टेम. सो रूट्स एंड फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट एज वेल एज लीव्स, इनके बीच में जो इंटरकनेक्शन है it is possible only due to the stem. And stems are generally in green. In which types of plants? Herbs and weak stems plants like climbers and creepers. तो stems generally उसमें क्या होता है, green होता है. But plants like trees in which stems are also known as trunk, which has hard and woody. So stem is the very important part, very strongest part of the plant which bears or which contains fruits, leaves and flowers. Okay, so now we'll see that what are the main important function of stem. What is the role of stem in plants? किसी भी plants में stem के क्या roles होते हैं? So there are different types of functions are given. Before that, one activity is given in your textbook, activity 2. So just try to do that activity at home if it is possible. So let's see the function of stem. First important function of stem is the stem bears the leaves, flowers and fruit. मीन्स अगर ये अगर मीन्स बेटा इफ स्टेम इज नॉट देयर इन प्लांट्स तो ये पार्ट्स पॉसिबल नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट स्टेम, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. स्टेम stem holds the plant to stand upright, and that's why weak stem present in creepers and climbers, so they cannot stand upright. So stems holds the plant to stand upright. Third, stem transport water and minerals to the leaves. Means minerals and waters that is captured or absorbed by the roots and transported through the stem, and it will reach to the leaf जहाँ पे food उनका प्रिपेयर होता है. जब हम लीफ वाला पार्ट देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे समझ में आएगा कि वाटर्स एंड मिनरल्स और why it is necessary for leaves as well as for plants, because leaves will prepare the food for all parts of the plants, so that time it requires water and minerals, so which is transported by stem. As well as after preparing the food in the stems, food is also transported, so you just mention here water, minerals. After preparing the food, food is also transported by the stem to different parts of the plant. So stem transport water, minerals and foods to different parts of the plants. Okay beta, so stem is very important parts, most important. It holds the plants to stand upright, transport waters and minerals and foods, and just bears the leaf, flowers and fruits. And also stem supports to climbers. climbers को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं उसको क्लाइंब करने में, जिसको हम बोलते हैं टेंड्रिल्स, जो छोटे छोटे टेंड्रिल्स निकलते हैं प्लांट्स में, उसको भी सपोर्ट करते हैं ऊपर मूव करने के लिए. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल सी दैट लीव्स, देन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज द use of water and mineral which is transported by the stem. Thank you.